Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your LG Q70. So there is two ways on this phone, by the Google Lens feature and by the web browser. We will start from the first method. So we have to open the gallery now and choose the photo that you want to search in the Google. I will choose that one, for example. Now just tap on the Google Lens icon, and now Google looks for similar images automatically. Now it's time for the second method. Just open your web browser and go to google.com. Now it's a very important step. Switch your web browser to the desktop side. Now just tap on this small camera icon and tap on the upload a file. Add the permissions again to your gallery and choose the photo like previously. And Google looks for the same images, or the similar one, of course. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.